Hey guys, John Moir here. I'm just doing this quick video to let you guys know about a brand new system that is out, and it's called Ultimate Funnel Network. And basically this system's paying you 35 cents per lead. I joined this 2 days ago and already I've made over $57. And that was just from people from my list visiting my link. I sent an email out from my Aweber, and I made $57 from that. I haven't actually driven any traffic to this yet, but I mean, it's working, guys. I'll show you my stats. Okay, this is all the clicks that I've had. And every click, basically every time someone has opted in, I've been getting paid 35 cents. Okay, so let me show you my commissions. There you go. Every time someone types in, you get a capture page from them. This is what it looks like. They type their name in here, the email there, let me in. You get 35 cents every time. Ultimate Funnel Network pay you 35 cents. Okay, now you see all of this is 35 cents commissions, and I have 210 pages of that. I mean, it couldn't be simpler to do this. If you're new, you're a beginner, and you're just looking to make some extra income on the side, this is perfect for you. Also, let me see the payouts to me. Okay, you see, I got paid out 2 days ago. That's when I joined. $57.40. That's why I got paid out my first day. Okay, my first day. And the group also, when you join up under me, I can give you access to a private group. I mean, there are hundreds of solo ad providers who can get you highly targeted traffic. I mean, you can get traffic for as low as 34 cents per click. Okay, I mean, that is really cheap. Now that alone, if you're paying 34 cents, I know it's not much, but if you're paying 34 cents per lead, or per click, sorry, and they're going to this capture page, okay, you're getting paid 35 cents for that. So you're making 1 cent. No, it's not much, but you're still making money. But if someone comes in and buys into Ultimate Funnel Network, which costs £200, $200 for the masterclass package, you will get a commission of $200. Okay, now what I'm actually doing is, because I'm building a list at the same time, if you're new and you just want to make some money, okay, you can easily just drive traffic to this link. This is the link you get in your back office. You promote that link, you supply this link, you drive traffic to this link here. Okay, and every time they'll go to this page, they enter their name and email, 35 cents. Okay, now hold on, sorry about that. Now what I'm doing is, you see, I'm building a list. Okay, and this is my like I said, I just created a new campaign, new list, and this is my list here, like all my subscribers. And what I'm doing is, now I'm capturing people on my list and making money from them. So I'm capturing. So what I do, I have my own capture page, which you can get from fastcapturepages.net .com, sorry, and I'm going to put the link in the description below. And basically, when people type in, let me just say Joe, Let me use an old email. I'll give that to this one here. Okay, and you'll see where this is going to take them to my capture page. Now, to get a member, a lead on your list, and to make 35 cents from them, they need to double opt in. So then they would type their name and email here. Ultimate Funnel Network gets a lead, you get a lead on your list. That's how it's done. Okay, it's that simple. I can get you the traffic, real cheap traffic. You can choose how much you want to spend. I mean, the group, there's people all the time on this group. I mean, they're writing saying that they have automated, highly targeted traffic, really cheap clicks that can go out that day. All you have to do is provide them with that link and they will get that arranged for you. You will start making money almost guaranteed, guys. I mean, this is so simple. A child can do this, really. Another thing that I've just joined is Ingresso Cibernetico. Okay, now these guys, they actually provide you with capture pages. Okay, they provide you. I'm at the $50 level right now. Okay, and it's a cycle. So I get people to come in, and if they come in at the $50 level, basically they will come on my cycle here, and then I will start giving them cycles. Like this person here, my sponsor, she already got me this cycle. So when I complete this cycle, I will get $50. Okay, and then with the money that I make from that, I'm going to get into the $100 matrix entry, and then the same goes again. And I mean, basically, you can go all the way up to $7,500. And it's real simple, guys. They provide you with the capture pages, an autoresponder service, a hosting plan. You also get a free domain from them. I mean, yeah. And if you want to learn Spanish, you even get the option to learn Spanish. It's great. And also, I forgot to say, they have a 30-day blueprint. Okay, this is what this looks like. And when you're new and you don't know what to do, and you need some help, this guy goes through a 30-day challenge, a 30-day blueprint for you, and you just follow those steps, implement them, and you will see stuff changing for you. Remember, guys, 95% people fail in starting a new business online because they quit at the first step. Now, if you want to be successful, you have to take massive action. Okay, now I'm going to be here for you. If you want to come and get into Ultimate Funnel Network, you're going to come to a page just like this, and it's going to cost $200 to come in, and that is it, a one-time payment of $200. Now this is a private network, guys, and the price is going to go up to $500. So you come in under me, and I'm going to introduce you to my Facebook group, who's amazing, by the way. This is the Facebook group there, and I'm going to invite you into my Skype group, where there are hundreds of solo ad providers who you can get really cheap traffic from. Yep. And the Ingresso Cibernetico, I'll put the link in the description also with that. And if this is something you're interested in, just you click on the link below and take action, guys. Okay, I hope this video has helped you and that you understand what the products are about, and have a nice day. Take care.